Use this information for items 14 through 15. When full, one of the pools at Sapphire Island will hold 43,000 gallons of water. So here's a piece of information I want to make sure that I pay attention to. I got 43,000 gallons of water when it's full. The pool currently holds 20,000 gallons of water. So currently we have 20,000 gallons of water in there, and it's being filled at a rate of 30 gallons per minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a list of things that so far this question has told me, or this paragraph has told me. So pool, it's going to hold 43,000 gallons. Right? But right now, currently, now it has, 20,000? There we go. All right, so we got to put some water in this thing. It's a little bit under half full. Okay. Someone's going to jump into this pool, smash their head. Going to be a lawsuit. Anyway, so it's being filled at a rate of, so we have a rate. So the speed at which it's getting filled is 130 gallons per minute. So gallons per minute. Okay, so far so good. Now we're on question 14. Write an equation. So we're going to write an equation. And this is in the section where we only have one variable. So it's a one variable equation. It tells what that is. That can be used to find h. H is the number of hours it will take to fill the pool from its current level. So here's our variable. H equals number of hours to fill the pool. Okay, so we got to write ourselves an equation and then explain the steps we use to write our equation. Okay, so our full pool, our pool whenever it is completely filled, should equal this 43,000 gallons. But right now, it's at 20 gallons, 20,000 gallons, right? Okay, so let's start with that we now have 20,000. We're going to have to add something to it in order to get it full, and full being that 43,000 gallons there, right? So whatever we have to fill it is going to depend on these hours here. Do you notice something here? Notice that h, our variable, the one that we're trying to solve for, it's in hours, but our rate is in minutes. So we're going to have to convert this. So we're just going to do what the chemistry classes here at Guyer call dimensional analysis, where you just make train tracks. So we have 130 gallons and then per 1 minute. And I'm going to convert this into hours. Well, minutes, they need to cancel out, so minutes is going to go on the top and hours is going to go on the bottom. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And this is showing me that I'm just going to multiply straight across. So 130 times 60 is 7,800 gallons per hour. So now this is our new rate. We don't want the 130 per minute because we want it in hours. And just like whenever you're driving in a car, if you wanted to know if you're driving 60 miles per hour and you go 1 hour, it's just 60 times 1. If you go 2 hours, it's 60 times 2. You're just multiplying that rate times however much time you're talking about. So for us, that is 7,800 H. So this is the rate at which it's getting filled. So we have how much we have in our pool right now, plus we're filling the thing up at 78,000 gallons per hour until it reaches a full pool. And so here's our equation, and that is how we got it.